Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia. Today I am unboxing the second box from Trisha Paytas Glitter Bitch Box and I am really excited to see what's in here because this time around she hasn't unboxed it yet, so I literally have no idea what's inside here and I'm so excited to find out. I haven't opened it at all. I just got it in today, so we will really truly open this together. Okay, so stay tuned if you want to see what is inside box number 2, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do enjoy it, and let's get right into the unboxing. So excited. So in my last box, I did have two missing items. Yeah, I had two missing items and they ended up sending both of them, and then one fell out of the mail that they sent them in, and so they had to send me the one that fell out the time they tried to send me the two that I was missing. They had to send me that one again. So yeah, I kind of have a bad streak going with them right now, but hopefully everything is in this box. Hopefully there's something in there that tells me everything that's supposed to be in it so that I know I got everything, but I don't know. Okay, let's see. Okay, oh, there is a list this time. Go Trisha. I freaking love this, like, box. I think it's so cute. Okay, all right. Oh, I love this. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so this is like the little list of stuff. Oh, and this time it actually says the retail value. Okay, awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna rip. The first item says that it's a Vanilla Clean It Zero, $19 retail value. This 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm Original is a hypoallergenic cleanser that transforms from sherbet-like texture into smooth oil when applied onto your skin. Developed to remove waterproof makeup and all of your skin's impurities in just one step. I actually did need a new cleanser because I'm running out of the one I have right now, so this is kind of perfect. So this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see. Sometimes I'm afraid you guys can't see these. Oh, cute. I know I'm super behind on, I was gonna film, from the first box I got, I was gonna film like a vlog on my vlog channel of trying out all the products. I've certainly been lacking on that. It didn't help that I had to get stuff like later because like the day I had planned to do it, I didn't have all the stuff, and it was just a whole mess. And so far I just haven't had like a day to really be able to use all of those products. Like I've been just too busy. Like if I have to get ready, like I need to get ready like ASAP and not like try out new products, you know what I mean? So that will be coming, and this time I will also try out the second box products in that video as well, which makes it even more fun and interesting. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Okay, the next thing is the Glam Light Palette. Ooh, it's $28 retail value. The Miracle Palette is a tribute to all of the brave women in the world who have been affected by breast cancer. Glam Light donates 10% of proceeds to fund breast cancer research. Well, I like that. That is awesome. Ooh. 12 luxury eyeshadows. Who is she? Unleash your creativity with this breathtaking and vibrant palette. Let's open her on up. You know, I never do swatches like ever when I unbox things because I think it makes no sense. Unless you're gonna do the swatches on your eye, I just don't understand like what's the point. Like it looks different on your arm or anywhere else than it's gonna look on your eyes, you know what I mean? But I will definitely try out this palette. Ooh. Okay, honey, and it comes with a mirror. We stan a makeup palette with a mirror. Oh, girl. Okay, anyway, now that I'm like fixing my hair. Okay. Yes, queen. So it looks like we've got shades Heavenly. Actually, I think it says on the back here, so. We've got shades Heavenly, Shine, Superwoman, Hope, Angelic, Amore, Flawless, Butterfly, Fearless, Beautylicious. Oh my gosh, and my channel's Leishalicious. That's hilarious. Beautylicious, Rosa, and Treasure. Next is the Glitter Bitch Lip Gloss, $16 retail value. Get luscious lips with Trisha's own sparkly lip gloss formula. Trisha, come through. She has her own formula? Okay. I am not gonna lie, this looks a little sketch because if you can see, it's just clear and literally it's just the cap says Glitter Bitch on it. But like, I don't know, I'm a little skeeved. I don't know if that's the right word, but I mean, you know what? Let's try it right now. That came off very easily. Okay. Yeah, I don't feel like I'm getting any product at all. It doesn't feel like there's much in there. Okay, so I will say that so far it seems like this lip gloss does well. It probably does better without having lipstick on because now my lipstick is getting super crusty and like it's kind of having the texture but it's a Kylie liquid lipstick that I'm wearing right now, which are already pretty dry. And so trying to put that lip gloss on over it kind of just like made it crumble a little, so that's fun. So if you can see that, I'm really sorry. But yeah, that lip gloss is probably best to be worn by itself and not with anything. Okay, anyway. All right, next thing is the Body Cantina Bath Bomb, $8 retail value. Okay, it looks cute. Handmade in Hollywood, this amazing pink bath bomb will create a rainbow of colors in your bathtub, creating a soothing and glamorous experience. Make sure you follow the directions carefully for the optimal adventure, especially important to lower it slowly into the water. Okay, cool. And this is what it looks like. So it's just a heart-shaped bath bomb. And next is the Glitter Bitch Makeup Sponge. I literally just bought a new makeup sponge like 2 days ago. This is hilarious. I could have just waited for my box to get here. Pink makeup sponge for the perfect foundation application. Latex-free, eco-friendly, washable, and reusable. Okay, honey. Okay, well mine was already open, but that's fine. I mean, it's just a little plastic wrapping. Whatever, it should be okay. But I mean, it just looks like a beauty sponge. I'm not sure what makes it different than other sponges, but okay. Lunatics Moon Dust. It's a $10 retail value. Get sparkly with this unique Glitter Bitch blend. Vegan and cruelty-free, body safe, non-toxic, hand mixed, and made in Los Angeles, California. Can be used on skin, hair, and nails. Is this it? Okay, well that's freaking tiny. I probably put all of that just on my hair. Because if you tried to put it on your body, I feel like it would fall off and you just waste this $10. I find that hard to believe this is $10. Maybe it's just a really high-end brand, I don't know, but okay, I'm not sold on that. Glitter Bitch Tumbler, $15 retail value. I am excited about the tumbler. Okay, I don't get, how is the Glitter Bitch lip gloss more expensive than this tumbler? That doesn't seem right to me. That just seems not correct. Okay, but whatever. Oh my goodness though. I love this tumbler. This is so freaking cute. How cute. Oh, I didn't even notice. Like, it's got sparkles all in it. Yes, queen. Trisha, thank you. I love this. I love, 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 love. Okay, let's put it together. And a reusable straw. Okay, I think it's on there. I love, wait. Mine's cracked. Are you kidding me? Okay, I think this is the last time I get this box. I'm so mad because I love Trisha. Like, I want this stuff, but it's like, what? You know, like, in the first box, I was missing items. And yes, customer service got back to me really quickly, but it's like, it shouldn't even be a problem in the first place. And the fact that now my cup is freaking, I thought for a minute it might be tape, but no, it's like, it's cracked. Yeah. It's cracked all down the front. I wonder if you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's cracked all down the front. What the heck? It's so exciting to get this box because I love Trisha, and plus I just love, like, the glitter bitch aesthetic is totally me. And so, like, I love getting this, but also it's just like, honestly, it's just too annoying that I keep getting, like, bad items. Like, not bad, like, the first time, obviously, they were missing, but then, I don't know. So I'm gonna contact customer service again. They're gonna hate me, but honestly, it's like, well, then send me stuff that's not broken, please. This box is $60. It's just, if it wasn't that expensive, then I would be fine with it, but, like, because it's such an expensive box, it's like, freaking give me items that aren't broken, you know? Anyway, enough ranting. Okay, for this honest review, I really want to say that I feel like it was worth it, but I really don't anymore. Like, the first box, I felt like the popcorn was just such a cool and, like, unique idea, and I was just in awe of it. But now with the second box, I mean, half of it is just stuff that literally I don't care about at all. And if I had the choice to send it back and get my money back, I would. But I would feel bad doing that because, like, I chose to get this box, and you know what I mean? Like, it was my decision to get it, so I would feel bad being like, I don't want it. I think this will be the last Glitter Bitch box that I end up getting because it's just not worth the money to me, honestly. Watch the third box be awesome and crazy, and I'm gonna be so mad that I didn't get it. So on that note, Trisha's box out of 10. This second box, I'm gonna give a 3 out of 10. The first box, I would give a 7 out of 10. And if it just keeps going downhill like this, then I'm just not gonna deal with it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. As I said, this will be the last Trisha box as of now. I'm gonna cancel it now. Watch me change my mind later, I don't know. But it's just not a good use of my money. Not worth it. I've said it a million times, so I'm gonna stop. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you did enjoy it. And let me know what you guys are thinking of the items in the box, or just what you're thinking of the box in general. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!